what's up, what's good? It's your girl Michaela Janae here, back with another video. And in today's video I will be reviewing and showing you guys my lovely dress form that I just brought. So if you're interested in purchasing a dress form, I'm here to give you my input on this one. So if you're interested, please stay tuned for the rest of the video. If you're new to my channel, hey, how you doing? I'm Michaela Janae. I'm Everything by Maja on Instagram, and over here we do everything faith, fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and now business. Okay, so if you did not know, I am starting my own clothing line this month. So I decided to invest in a mannequin, a dress form. Okay, first let me answer the question, do you need a dress form? So if you're just looking for something to place your designs on, if you're getting clothes from your brand from a vendor and you need a mannequin or something to place your garments on, you don't need a dress form. These are the questions I had to ask myself. So if you need something to, you know, take pictures in, like you see the mannequins on Instagram for the boutiques and stuff like that, if you want a mannequin, which is the plastic human-like forms that you see in the mall or in the stores, or like I said on Instagram, this is not that. Okay, those are much cheaper, and if you're looking for something like that, definitely put in mannequins, fashion mannequins on Amazon, which is where I got her from, and that'll come up for you. Okay, so that means when you do need a dress form, it's because you actually make clothing, whether you make clothing for yourself or for your business, and you want to expand into maybe draping some items, because I know a lot of at-home sewers can just work off their own body. Like me, if I'm making things for myself, it's really easy for me to get my own measurements from my own body. But when you start to drape and everything, you can't literally stick pins into yourself. So that's when a dress form comes in. So draping, when you are starting to make clothing for other people. So that's when you know you need an adjustable dress form. This dress form right here, which is why I brought her, she's a size small. I can adjust her measurements to open up different parts of her body. On the Amazon site, on its page, it shows you the different measurements she can be expanded to. And you can even make her neck wider. So this mannequin is something good where I can make things for different sizes. Once I have the measurements I want to make, I can adjust her to fit that. And of course, she is flat chested. She don't have no chest. So I will be doing a video on how I pad her. These mannequins can also be padded. So what is padding? Padding is putting her in a bra, maybe putting her in some Spanx and stuffing her to give her more of a shapely body. As you can see on the side, I'm going to put in a video of her full body so you guys can see. She doesn't have much hip or a butt. So there's different ways that you can add stuffing to give her that shape you need. So their mannequins come from small to medium, medium to large, large to extra large. There are different size mannequins that you can get. Okay, so don't be too upset when you see that, oh, she ain't got no chest, I have a chest. Once you find, you know, old bras, even if you get bras from Walmart and put her on the bra and stuff it, then you can make her chest a different size, her hips a different size, her butt a different size, which is what I plan on doing. And there's also various different videos on YouTube showing you guys how to pad her. You can even pad her permanently and like sew everything on her, but I didn't get to that stage yet. Right now I'm literally using her as a mannequin for this stage, which I know I just said if you need her for a mannequin, you don't need her, but I am also a home sewer, so I know in the future I will need her to drape, which is coming up in my next collection. Just stay tuned for that. Let's talk about what I like about her, the pros. Oh, and let me also show you guys the box it came in. So I ordered my Dritz mannequin in the small on Amazon literally on a Thursday, and she came in the Saturday. I kept the box for you guys. She came in this humongous box, and it showed what I was getting. So it literally has it on here. Let me read it to you guys. She has 9 rotating adjusting wheels, expandable neck with pin cushion holder, 2 auto set dials. The bust is from 33 to 40 inches. The waist is 26 to 33. Hips is 36 to 42. The neck is 14 to 17. It came with a foam back nylon cover for easy pinning and marking, adjustable back waist length, and pin hem marker for even hem length. So that's what came with her. She was super easy to assemble actually. Like, I didn't need any help from my dad. I just put her together myself. It was not hard. Literally threw her together. And she can also move up and down, which is something I really enjoyed, because I actually had one of those DIY mannequins where you wrap yourself up with duct tape. I really don't suggest those. Those are super heavy and it just wasn't practical for me to move around like that. If you know what I'm talking about, you know. If you know, you know. But I love that she is lightweight. She completely spins. So I love that about her. I love the color, which is totally an extra, but I do love the color. Like I said, I love that the height can be adjusted, because it's more easier for her to be my height than to have me bending down or like going up higher than my own height. Here's what to know about it. This mannequin does have a hard plastic underneath her, you know, this fabric on the outside, so when you pin, you can't stick it straight in. Let me give you an example. So you can't really pin like this. You hear that? Because I'm hitting plastic. You have to kind of pin at an angle, but at least you could pin. I don't really have a problem with that, but if you find that's too complicated, go with another mannequin. I've also heard people say that their mannequin like this broke, but I'm super delicate with her. I've never had any experience with her seeming like she was going to break yet. That's something to also be cautious of. But the reviews on Amazon were actually really good. It was actually other sewers on YouTube saying that this mannequin broke on them, but it all depends on how you take care of things. I think like whenever she's on the ground, she's not about to fall over. I do enjoy that. I wish you could actually like lock her to keep her from spinning sometimes, because I be trying to do stuff and she just be running from me, but that's not that big of a deal. She was actually one of the cheapest mannequins I found, so you guys know I'm about doing things on a budget on this channel, and if you didn't know, now you know. She was one of the cheapest at $99, so I didn't want to go too expensive for my first clothing line and just getting started. I didn't need something super extravagant. I just needed something, okay? With the price of her, I'm not being too picky, and Dritz is a professional brand, so I wasn't too mad at that. It is a little difficult to, you know, twist it out and in, because you gotta hold it and then do it. Like, they're super tight, and if you have nails it will be a little hard, but it does go. You can't see it, but I'm doing the bottom one. It does go, and she has different things on the side to where you can open up her hips and close her hips and stuff, so that is one thing. The things are a little hard to move. So right here you can see that I'm opening this up a little bit like that to give the back some space, and then you can go back up to tighten it, but this one is really tight. And you see, kind of, it's really hard to open. Okay, I am having major trouble to open this right now, and I did open it when I first got her, so I don't understand why it's so stuck right now. But that's another thing about it. If you do not like that sometimes it can get jammed up, don't purchase this mannequin. Go a little bit more expensive. But like I said, I'm not too upset about it because it has been serving me a purpose and I've been using it for content. But that is a little annoying, especially if you have nails like me. It's hard to get in here to squeeze that and turn. So that is definitely a minus, that I couldn't literally just open it up. I moved it a little bit. My fingers is hurting, alright? So that's the real y'all saw. Like I said, I like it, but if that is not going to work for you, do not purchase this, because it will be kind of hard for this middle chest piece. This neck piece is also really hard to move. Like, I might have to ask my dad to do it because I just can't do it. And you know, like, they have the little different markings. They don't really have the numbers to show you how to adjust it, so that's also a con. But like I said, it's not a surprise. I'm not complaining about it because all of this was said in different reviews and on the website, so I kind of knew what I was signing up for before I got it. So it's good that you're watching a review on this mannequin. Yeah, shipping was great. The price, it was the cheapest, so if you go up in price you definitely will probably get more quality, better quality at that. But it is serving its purpose. I told you guys all about this mannequin. You can see how it looks. You know that the dials are kind of wonky, but it is serving its purpose. I can pin the fabric how I need to. I can try items on it. I actually put a dress on her the other day. It's kind of working out, but there are definitely some cons that will really determine whether or not you purchase her. So let me know what type of mannequin you're going with in the comments down below. Let me know how you feel about the whole dress form mannequin situation, and I'll see you guys in my next video.